Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automate document creation with Documint in 2026. If you want to generate documents automatically using templates and connected data sources, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new template or open an existing one that you want to automate. Next, make sure your template contains dynamic fields for the information that will change, such as customer names, dates, addresses, invoice numbers, or payment details. Now connect your preferred data source. Depending on your workflow, you can manually enter data, upload a spreadsheet, use an API, or connect Documint with automation platforms like Make or Zapier. Next, map each data field to the corresponding placeholder in your template. Double-check that every field is matched correctly to avoid missing or incorrect information in the final document. Once the mapping is complete, configure the automation trigger. For example, you can automatically generate a document whenever a new form is submitted, a spreadsheet is updated, or another connected app sends new data. Now run a test to make sure the automation works correctly. Review the generated document and confirm that all fields are filled accurately and the formatting looks professional. Finally, save your workflow and enable the automation. Documint will now create documents automatically whenever the configured trigger is activated, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate document creation with Documint step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.